Wasn't really able to get footage of most of this bathtub repair, but I did finish it up. Got all this is 2 coats of gel coat on here, so basically waiting for that to kick off a little bit. I'll peel all this tape, clean up my mess. Yeah, unfortunately I didn't get to film the rest of this repair. Also I had no power, which kind of sucks, so I just want to get it done quickly. And really, you know, I'm a glass guy, not a YouTube guy really, so got to get it done. My phone died is what happened, so, you know, plugged in downstairs. In any case, I appreciate you guys checking these videos out. Maybe I'll make one more with this, or actually just wait a second. Out of there. That's my whole tub. I don't have anything to peel this, so I'm just gonna use Rob's key. Oh, nice. I think I'm just gonna leave that for a minute. So basically didn't have to touch this area. I was hoping Tony didn't cut